सत श्री अकाल। गुजरी श्री रविदास जी के पदे घर तीजा। एक ओंकार। There is but one Lord, Satgur. That one Lord is the truth. He is truth personified. Prasad, Gur Prasad. With His grace, with His blessings, we are able to read and contemplate on the following paragraph. दूध दा बछरे thane bitareo. The calf, right? Bachare is a calf here. When the calf drinks milk from the mother, then he contaminates the teats of the mom. Full bhavar, as part of pollination, the flowers are also contaminated with the bumblebees and the different insects. Jal meen bigario. The water itself is also contaminated with the fish. So both the fish and the water animals are and the water are contaminated because of them living together. Mai Gobind Puja kahan le charavo. When I look around me and I see so much of contamination within nature around me, and I have been told to offer the Lord something pure. This nature is created by Him, but He has not given me any place to find anything that is pure for Him. So, dear Mother, to worship the Lord, where am I supposed to find something pure to offer Him? Because to offer Him, only when I offer Him can I pray to Him. That is the misconception, that is the notion that we have been taught, that only when we offer Him something will our prayer be accepted by the Lord. Avar na fool anoop na pavo. I have looked everywhere and I can't find a single flower that is pure and beautiful and able-bodied and beautiful enough and pure enough for the Lord to be offered. Rahao, Melagar bere he bhuyanga. Melagar are your snakes here. The snakes have surrounded the sandalwood, right? So what we're trying to say is, fine, we've looked at the city side, at the urban place, we've looked for flowers and waters and nature around us, and now we try and venture into the forest, thinking that maybe the forest will have something pure that we can offer to the Lord. But even in the forest, the nature and the animals, they coexist. The snakes have all surrounded the sandalwood trees, which means that Bhik Amrit Base Ik Sangha, that the beauty of nature is such that both poison and nectar coexist in that same spot, in that same place. So now I, your disciple, am in a fix. What is it that I'm supposed to do? I can offer you dhoop, deep, nai be de basa, different varieties of things which are man-made or synthetic. Kaise pooj kare teri dasa. How is it that you want me to pray to you and come in front of you and offer my prayers to you, dear Lord? And then he thinks, the disciple thinks, that even if I can offer him incense and lamps and anything that is man-made, which which we can think is pure, there is impurity even in that. The only thing that you can control that is pure is yourself. You can completely eradicate and make yourself that is pure, and that is what the Lord wants. Tan man arpo pooj charavo. I offer to you, dear Lord, I have finally realized that what I can offer to you is myself, my tan, my body, my soul, man, and that is my offering to you. Gur Prasad Niranjan Pavo. And with His grace, since now I have understood that it is me and only me that the Lord wants, I will be graced by him, and I will find Niranjan Pavo, the Immaculate Lord. And for whatever reason that does not happen, understand this, dear Lord, that puja archa ahe na tori, that I will face so many hurdles and archan, so many hurdles to be able to come in front of you and to be able to offer you, because I can never find anything, which means that there are only hurdles and hurdles in front of me. And if that is the case, that just to come in front of you, to pray to you, to talk to you, I have to face so many hurdles. Just think, Keh Ravidas Kavan Gat Mori. What is going to be the state of your children, of your disciples? What is going to be my state? That is not what the Lord intended. The Lord intends for you to come to Him in the most easiest manner possible. It is not to make His path, your path to Him, difficult. Your job is to be able to approach Him whenever you want, however you want, bringing towards Him, for Him, just yourself. That is what our Lord wants. That is what He will accept. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.